Hi, I'm Ed Samuel. I'm the Executive Vice President for Technical Operations at Achilles Therapeutics. Been with Achilles for about 4.5 years now, and prior to that had been in industry within the cell and gene therapy space, for about the last 8 or 9 years. I started life as a clinical scientist working in bone marrow and stem cell transplantation. So I've watched the world change from early adoptive T-cell therapies to the kind of legislation and regulation of cell therapies as medicines. So, about 20 years in this space and, now kind of overseeing everything CMC related and some of our manufacturing science and technology here at Achilles. Yeah, hoping to kind of bring you some updates on where we are with regards to our manufacturing process. We've got 2 ongoing clinical studies in lung cancer and in melanoma. So, kind of a little bit of background onto how the manufacturing process works and some of the opportunities we're exploring with regards to kind of closed systems and automation to deliver kind of clinical scale manufacturing. And then, kind of looking to just give an update on where we are with regards to the kind of science and the platform technology moving forward. I think for me, I've always really enjoyed just walking around all the vendor stands, actually. I think it's you read a lot on kind of sites around emerging technologies and suppliers, whether it's reagents, cytokines, raw materials. And I think that we miss the kind of just that the luxury of being able to wander between, one vendor and the next in the same space. And again, you always see something that you hadn't picked up on before, new and emerging innovations. And I think the opportunity to chat with those folks and do that fairly early on. So I think that's always something interesting. And again, understanding what are others doing with regards to kind of thinking about automation and manufacturing platforms. And again, getting updates on clinical data with other biotech companies. I think, we've lived in the virtual world for the last 2 years and we've shown it can work, but it isn't a replacement. Of course, it's great to have kind of flexibility, but I think we all recognize that you get so much more about being in person, networking and being able to kind of interact with colleagues and the community.